Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a PS5 external hard drive. First, always check all physical connections. Ensure the USB cable is fully inserted into both your PlayStation 5 and the external drive. A loose cable is a common culprit. Then, perform a complete power cycle of your console and the drive itself. Sometimes, a simple restart resolves minor glitches, restoring proper communication. Also, try a different USB port on your console. Next, access your PlayStation 5 system settings to manage storage devices. Confirm the console recognizes your external drive and that it is correctly designated as extended storage. If the system prompts you, perform a full format of the drive directly through these settings. This often resolves common file system errors. Always verify your drive meets the console's specifications, specifically requiring a USB 3.0 or faster connection for optimal performance. If PS5 settings don't work, connect your drive to a personal computer. Open Disk Management to ensure the drive appears and has healthy partitions. Next, right-click the drive in File Explorer and run an error-checking scan. This process identifies and potentially fixes many file system errors. For a more thorough assessment, consider using a reliable third-party diagnostic program to check the drive's overall health and smart data. Ensure your PlayStation 5 console's system software is always fully updated. Outdated firmware can cause compatibility issues. If only certain games are problematic, try deleting and then re-downloading those specific titles directly to your external drive. Another step is rebuilding the PlayStation 5 database in safe mode. This can resolve many persistent data corruption errors. Additionally, test the drive with a different, known good USB cable to rule out a faulty connection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.